Hello friends, this video on force and pressure part 2 is brought to you by V-Guide Physics. In this video, I am going to discuss about pressure. What is a pressure? Pressure is a physical quantity in physics. How can you measure pressure? The effect that a force has when it acts on a surface depends on two factors. That means the amount of force applied and the area in contact over which the force is applied. It means, what is a pressure? We are applying a force on a surface. How much force you are applying, on which surface you are applying. These are the two things depends. Which surface means how much area you are applying. That we call by the name pressure. Take an example. We use knife to cut vegetables. Which type of knife we use? Blunt knife or a sharp knife? We use sharp knife. Why? Because if you cut your vegetables with a sharp knife, the vegetables can be cut easily. But if you take a blunt knife, it means their area is more. But we have to apply more force for that. So the pressure, when we talk about the pressure, if you use a sharp knife, that pressure will be more. So that is the reason we use sharp knife to cut the vegetables. Circus people and all, they used to show this a trick of standing the bed of the nails or lying on the bed of the nails. You can see that they used to lay down or lie down on a bed with nails. They can't stand. If they stand, definitely the nail will pierce to their body. But if they lie, their weight is concentrated to the entire body. So the area is more, so pressure will be less, so they won't get any harm. But if they are standing, the entire weight is getting over the feet. So that's what that nails will pierce to our body. So we can't stand on a bed nails, but we can lie down on a bed with the iron nails. You can see that porters on railway station and all, they keep a cloth over their head to carry the heavy loads. Here also they use the same principle, that they above the head they are making more area so that the pressure will be less. Directly if they are keeping, that will cause more hurt. But if they take a piece of cloth and they are putting like a bun type of thing over their head, that area of cross section is getting increased, so pressure will be less. So in that way, we are seeing the pressure in different forms in our daily life. So the pressure is measured with force as well as area. In few places we need to increase the area to decrease the pressure, but in few places you need decrease in area to increase in pressure. That means you see my first example and my last example. In first example I told I am using sharp knife because area is less, pressure is more, because my need is to cut the vegetable, pressure should be more there. But the last one, our aim is to our effort or our work should be less. For that, they are keeping a cloth over that. So area is increasing, pressure is coming less. So remember, pressure we can find by a simple formula, that is force by area. And the force, which force we are considering? We are considering the force which is normal to that area, that means which is perpendicular to that area. Okay, clear? This is the normal way or the simple way to find the pressure. Now, where all we will consider about the pressure. Now, first case we are considering about the solid sand all, right? We have taken the knife, we have taken the bed nails, we have taken the potter case. But you know the pressure is exerted by liquids also. Take a bottle, make a hole here, put a balloon here. You can see that it is exerting a force. The liquid is exerting a force so that the balloon is getting increased. Size of the balloon is getting increased. Another one, you just see this. This is a bottle, and it is placed on a table and put to 3 holes. You can see that the water, if it is filled with water, the water will come out from the holes. And here I want to tell one more important thing. I'll tell one by one. First one, I want to tell about the first case. The liquid exerts pressure downwards. Liquid exert pressure downwards. Then next one, I want to tell liquid exert pressure sideways also. If you are keeping the balloon instead of side, if you are keeping it the down also, you can see that the balloon size is increased. It means that liquid exert the force to sideways as well as to down. Next, what I want to tell, actually, here 2 holes are at same height, means both the holes are getting same pressure. It means that liquid exerts equal pressure at the same depth. As the depth increases, the pressure varies. That is the reason why for divers and all, if they are going, they have a limit to go. Right? When they are going down, the depth is increasing, the pressure is increasing. So the pressure increases with the depth. And you can conclude that liquid exerts pressure on the walls of the container where you are keeping that liquid. Liquid we can keep only in containers. Wherever you are keeping the liquids, that in that container walls also they are getting the pressure as well as the force. So I can conclude that the liquid also exerts pressure. Liquid can exert the pressure downwards. The liquid can exert the pressure sideways. The liquid will exert equal pressure at equal depth. So it means that pressure depends on depth. Pressure in the case of liquids, pressure depends on depth. Example, you can take the swimmers, or you can take the divers case. The people, those who are diving inside the sea or inside the lake. Another one, the liquid exerts pressure on the walls of the container. Now, next I'm talking about the pressure. Is pressure is there with the gas? Yes, obviously yes. The pressure exerted by our atmosphere is called atmospheric pressure. So what is meant by atmosphere? Atmosphere is nothing but the layer of air surrounded to us. So the earth is surrounded by a layer of air of about 120 kilometer deep. That is called atmosphere. So when we are sitting near to our atmosphere is there, surrounding to us atmosphere is there. This atmosphere will exert a pressure, and that pressure is enormously high. You know, its value is 10 to the power of 5 Newton per meter square. 10 to the power of 5. Such a big value. So atmosphere is exerting a pressure to us. So, for example, they are taking this is a tube containing water. And see, here it is, this is the area. If you're just taking here, I can tell that atmospheric pressure is the force of gravity on air in a column of unit area. It means if you're taking this point, this above this air, so they are just giving a pressure. This one, this is a column of air. It is exerting a force. So we can tell that atmospheric pressure is the force of gravity on air in a column of unit area. Unit area for easy convention. So in short, you can tell that there is a pressure due to atmosphere also. There is a pressure due to gas also. Atmospheric pressure is nothing but force of gravity on an air in a column of unit area. See, this is a unit area tube, the full of air we are considering. So it's getting that pressure, Next. There is a very interesting thing. This is a man whose head is this one. Okay? We are taking an example that force due to air in a column of height of atmosphere and the area is 15 into 15 centimeter is nearly equal to force of gravity on an object of mass 225 kg, that is 2250 Newton. The reason we are not crushed under this force of gravity is that pressure inside our body is equal to atmospheric pressure and balances pressure from outside. So actually our air is exerting a pressure, we learn now, right? So because of that air pressure, why we are not crushing a big pressure? Because inside our body also we have a pressure. So that pressure and this pressure, outside atmospheric pressure, is balanced with our inside pressure. That's what we are not crushing. So this is an example they are given. So our body is maintaining that atmosphere exert a pressure, but outside pressure is equal to our inside pressure, so that we can balance our body. Then I want to give few examples of pressure where we are using applications. Pressure due to liquids in our blood vessels helps the blood to move throughout the body. So in our body we have that pressure. Because of that only blood will move through our entire body. We will use rubber circles for installing hooks in kitchen. In the suckers we will press it and we will keep it. So pressure we are giving so that it is just pressed over there. We use cool drinks or we enjoy the cool drinks with a straw. What we are doing actually? We are sucking first the air, so the pressure. So we are giving we are giving a pressure. So inside pressure is less, outside pressure is more, so that the juice will come easily to our straw. What? If you dip a straw inside a juice and if you're sucking, that air will go inside and inside pressure is less. Outside pressure is more. On the top of the juice there is outside atmospheric pressure that is high. So inside pressure is less means pressure will flow from high pressure area to a low pressure area. So easily that juice will go inside the straw. Pressure application, vacuum cleaner. Low pressure is created inside the cleaner which sucks the dirt into the devices. Vacuum cleaner we are using that to clean our rooms. So that time also we are using the same principle. We are just making the pressure inside the cleaner less. So outside pressure will become more. So the dust will go from the high pressure area to a low pressure area. Squeezing the toothpaste, lemon, spray bottle. In these all we are applying the pressure. So in short, in our day-to-day life, we are under a lot of applications of pressure. So we are using the application of physics pressure in many cases from morning to till night. So the pressure is a very important physical quantity. Pressure is exerted over the solids, liquids, gas, and the pressure is measured in a unit called Pascal and its symbol is capital P small a, or another unit is force by area, so it is Newton by meter square. This also it's correct. So in short, our pressure can be measured in terms of Pascal or Newton per meter square. Thank you. Subscribe and share the videos of class 1 to class 12 for boards, foundation, NEET and JEE by Team V Guide Physics.